Hey everyone, welcome to today's video on project charters. Whether you've been assigned to lead a project or a member of the project team, or you're just curious about what a project charter is, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you will know what a project charter is, why it's important, and how you can create one for your own project. So what exactly is a project charter? A project charter is a short document created at the start of a project. In fact, it's the first document created for the project. Its purpose is to outline the project's objectives, scope, and key details, and it serves as a high-level roadmap for the entire project. Think of it like a blueprint for your project. It could be a Word document, a PowerPoint slide, or even just a simple PDF. The important thing is that it captures the key information people need to understand the project at a glance. Why is a project charter so important? Well, it helps everyone involved in the project get on the same page right from the start. Imagine this. You're starting a project with a new team. They might have different ideas about what the project is meant to achieve. A project charter helps align those ideas by clearly defining the project's goals, timeline, and responsibilities. Also, it's used to officially get the project approved. Once you have your charter signed off, you can confidently move forward with the planning stage. So, what should you include in your project charter? Let's break it down into a few sections. First, you will need a background section. This should explain why the project is needed. Is there a new business goal? Are you solving a specific problem? Next, there's the scope. The scope defines what's included and what's not included in the project. This helps avoid any misunderstandings later on. Then you have objectives. Make sure your objectives are clear and measurable. For example, instead of saying increase sales, say increase sales by 15% by the end of the year. You will also want to list key stakeholders, that is, everyone involved in the project, including the sponsor, project manager, and team leads. Don't forget to add a timeline and milestones. These can be rough estimates since you won't have a detailed plan yet, but it helps set expectations. Lastly, mention any constraints, assumptions, and risk. These are important factors that could impact your project's success, like budget limits or potential risk down the road. Now that you know what goes into a project charter, how do you actually create one? The best way to create a charter is by collaborating with entire team and sponsor. Schedule a meeting and go through the major sections together. Getting everyone's input at the start not only helps align the team, but it can also serve as a great team building section. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, draft the charter, send it around for feedback, and then get it signed off by the project sponsor. Now you have got the green signal to start planning. To wrap it all up, a project charter is a simple but powerful tool to ensure that everyone involved in a project is aligned from the beginning. It sets clear expectations, defines roles, and serves as a foundation for future project planning. If you haven't started using project charters yet, I highly recommend giving them a try. And if you want to get started right away, we've got you covered. Click the link below to download a free project charter template that you can customize for your own projects. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such interesting tips. See you in the next video.